aya basi aracari Sankara da Premier umva nyuma ya Mr. Elisha akubwira ngo imbogo gutangira filime y'umwaka yiswe Blowback atagira ucikwa ya nyuma ya Mr. Elisha. Okay,
oh baby
skia ya warabonye filime z'abajura nka Takers ukabona The Town udacikwa iyi cyangwa Army of Thieves udacikwa Blowback. Mr. Elisha ati mwe soko y'urukundo burya mutwara buhoro buce
nukuru kwiye ngoro
akwiye
umutima wanje nukuru kwiye ngoro
arayikwiye koko
ingoro
arabyongeye
wagukoraho gato
skia
yewe na mutimboto
Beg imbogo umwana wayirica imbogo bahise Blowback Sankara da Premier nakubwiye Elisha yajaje Beg imbogo umwana wayirica mahembe yayarica
amaso yawe anwara hano nazi motema nangaye
skia. Okay,
kunde banaratwawe watwaye ubwenge bwanje sinzi uko nabigiranje. I know you like my affection is your addiction is my mission.
nakubwira cyari Sankara da Premier kuva muri Giti Business Group hatagira ucikwa. Time to party, time to the show. nakubwira kari karabuze karaje ryajwi ribohora imitima ya benshi Sankara da Premier day to day city samano right byarakaze mahembe yayarica Beg imbogo umwana wayirica sio kanje kuchatsinduye astegariwe
sasa hakuno
Giti yajukiye mu mwitozo
gihugu cy'u Rwanda mu
bayise muri Rebel Energy Whiskey
tozo warimbanyije
icyo kunywa cyongera ingufu n'akanyamuneza mu mubiri hose
no
Agashemere Business Group nika kugezaho
mahanga muri Thailand
skia
mwitozo warimbanyije umwitozo
aya
atunya sanga mu mwitozo haje hakuna kabagato
uruzingo mpuzamahanga muri make
muri size gakomeye kumagaye dore uruzingo
araka imbere yije ya Rufendeke na Giti amasaha y'umwitozo
tiyisha umuntu Rufendeke arapfuye
hagombera ni suku bateranya nk'umutoza
muri Thailand
muri teguye star sawa nawe mudundane nk'abadunda baro
aka urugamba Giti versus
Rufendeke ku mitsi ye wagira ngo namama ko wajya ni imitsi buretse gato coach naje nari ariko simvira maho kamaze nko kwa Rebel Energy Whiskey ngarura gataje Giti ndaje nkweregesha imbaraga sibirayi Rebel irabikora akazi kose
sasa
gitara squata
barazura userukira igihugu
araka Rufendeke boxi ngagusa yevuganya Giti imbaraga sibirayi mureke abantu mwe bica ngo mwabuze aho mukoresha ibikoresho byose bya electronique kanze mbere ku mutekinisiye wabigize umwuga Salomo tekinisiye ku Kivumu ari Remera ruguye muri gare gatoya nako ruguru ya Feruje
waba ufite ikibazo kuri smartphone ndetse n'izindi device electronique zitandukanye nka
nimero zacu nazindi uhamagara tukagukemura ikibazo cyose waba ufite
smartphone ndetse n'izindi device electronique zitandukanye nka radio, televiziyo ndetse n'izindi nyinshi ibyananiranye abikoramo guhumbya. Tubafite na accessoires nyinshi zitandukanye arizo
Salomo tekinisiye
screen protector,
Kigali Universal Language School, ishuri rya mbere mu kwigisha indimi. Twigisha Icyongereza, Igifaransa, Igishinwa, Igihinde, Igiportuge, Igiswahili n'izindi. Wari uzi yuko imyaka yose waba ufite ushobora kwiga indimi kandi mu gihe gito? Birashoboka hamwe na Kigali Universal Language School. Ese urashaka kujya muri Amerika, i Burayi n'ahandi? Muri Kigali Universal Language School turagufasha kubona certificate zitandukanye zirimo TOEFL, IELTS, Duolingo, DELF na TEF. Twegere kandi tuguha amahugurwa ku bijyanye na public speaking na interview performance. Akarusho kacu, dufite abarimu b'abahanga bakwigisha indimi ku rwego mpuzamahanga. Twigisha kandi amategeko y'umuhanda yaba mu Cyongereza no mu Gifaransa ku batumva neza Ikinyarwanda, kandi ukora rimwe gusa ugahita utsinda. Niba kandi ushaka kwiga porogaramu zitandukanye za mudasobwa, karibu muri Kigali Universal Language School tugufashe. Dusanga aho dukorera mu mujyi wa Kigali mu nyubako ya Shike muri etaje ya mbere mu muryango E046A. Ushobora kuduhamagara kuri telefone 078 03
bahise blowback niyo tugiye gutangira
kuri 0787 Hitamo kwiga neza hamwe na Kigali Universal Language School.
aya basi nuko tutangiye. Iya bategwa muri nyinshi cyane akubwira cyane Sankara Premier wumva nk'ibisanzwe. Saban Films Giti Business Group bona abateguye mbere na mbere. Nagarabu gusa bateguye muri nyinshi cyane. Premier Entertainment, IT and Distribution. Sei ko bitanze kubasomera. Nasoma ndwana n'icyo ubundi sike ndavunwa n'ubusa. Tangirira hakuno. Bondi Media Capital. MC Films. Bona abandi zateguye Mr. Saban Films presents. So bondi bisinabisomye ndabisubiramo ibyiki. Kyegarwe. Blowback ni filime. Tangira hakuno umugezi wari utwaye Randy Couture n'umucikwe. Mukinnyi w'imena Randy Couture. Utwaye aratware ko natwaye neza. Louis na Chris n'abakinnyi bandi b'imena. Utwaye ipine ryapfumutse. Yatobokeje umugabo ari marava maraso menshi. Mbanza yarashwe tu. Nimba atari accident. Kumbuka twaye hanafita kangunga kakora umushoferi. Modoka aratwara manza mboka dakora neza. Hakurya hakuno. Filime yo kutangiye. Ntago ari mu cyerekezo kimwe. Ntago ameze neza Mr. Ko yakaje. Tayara komeza imbere. Ameze nabi. Mugabo ararembye ntareba neza uyene yajya. Nazamura umutwe ariko maze ari mfite ibizunga mukuntu. Polisi mucaho. Polisi yakamuciyeho. Mugabo ameze nabi. Asaya mu gitondo. Polisi kubita return, U-turn baramukurikira. Hago umuntu twaye gukemeze gute byanga byakunda afite ikibazo. Ageza afata feri cyari mu modoka imuzimiraho. Kubita umutwe kuri vora. Modoka komeza ivuza ihoni. Mupolisi avayo. Nyakubahwa.
Sir, can you hear me?
Ye nyakubahwa uranyumva? Modoka irimo yavuza amahoni.
Control 2 Adam 3.
Umva kabiri Adam gatatu. Umva dukeneye ubuvuzi bwihutirwa. Hari umuntu warashwe mu rutugu kubumoso. Left shoulder. Ebwatinze. Badusubiza inyuma iminsi mikeya. Hakuno kwa muganga hari urwaye. Nakana gatoya. Barakari kwa mugabo twatangiye araswa yarafite kwana kwa muganga mugenza rwaje. Barimo arakina ka chess. aha
You sure about that?
papa uri sure y'ibyo ukinnye cyangwa gutsinda? Barakina. Ngo niki urantsinze?
That's 2 out of 3.
Ya ni 2 kuri 3.
You are a winner.
Urantsinze kuri iyi nshuro.
Then why am I here?
Uzi none tugaruka impamvu ndi hano.
Dad,
Papa
I want to go home.
ndashaka gutaha. Kana kararwaye kararembye.
I know.
Ndabizi.
I know. I'm sorry. Look,
Mwana ndabizi ariko muhangane.
it's gonna be okay.
Ibintu biraza kumera neza uraza gutaha.
I'm going to be okay.
Papa bizamera ryari neza ko? Buri munsi uramwa nihangane.
Right now, this is
Nonaha
where you have to be.
niko bigomba kumera, ugomba guma mu bitaro.
Here until you get better.
Mpaka umunsi umuganga azakubwira kumeze neza.
It's not going to work.
Papa ntabwo bizakunda.
Don't you get it?
Ntabwo byumva.
Working on it.
Ndimo ndabyitaho.
Can't stop things from happening.
Stop.
Ntabwo twabihagarika papa.
You can't save me.
Ntabwo wantabara. Mwana sinzi arwaye iki.
You weren't there for Mom when she needed you.
Wari uhari mu bwo mama yaragukeneye.
Stop it.
Mwana wanjye bereke ibyo ngibyo.
What exactly do
Bazi umwana se na nyina barashwanye.
my fault that she's gone?
Mama nifata nkaho yagiye yadutaye nakundi. Tuza rero nzakwitaho kandi ibintu uzabikora. Mama niba yaragiye sinshaka kubona n'umukobwa wanjye. Ndashaka nkugume hafi.
Dad, just leave.
Papa ngaho genda. Niba udashaka na mama ngaho genda. Ntabwo ni bucika intege. I'm not giving up.
There are other treatments.
Hari indi miti Emma.
Please, leave.
Papa va hano genda.
I'll be
Iyo utangiye kumwira mama mwana atandukanye ushaka no kumwumva. Hari ibyo utagomba kubwira umwana mu gihe yirwariye. Emma.
Please, do not give up on me.
Mwana ntukizere ko nacitse intege. Kandi nanjye ntukanci intege.
go.
Papa ndarushye ngaho genda. Humura nzakora ibishoboka mwana wanjye kandi uzavana uri muzima. Kana kararwaye mu rugo ubukeneye bwose. Kana nikameze neza. Mugabo arahaguruka.
Excuse me,
Nyangarira.
Mr. Gibson?
Nyakuba Gibson. Kira hakuno. Sawa sawa.
I will have your money. I promise.
Amafaranga yanyu uzayabazanira kandi abasezeranye.
Stay as long as she wants.
Umva umwana ashaka kuvurwa neza kandi ndacakeneye indi miti. Mwishyure ne ya mbere. Ubukene burari mu rugo. Afaranga nakibura. Tugaruka kuno kuri Vegas Valley Banks. Harabari. Wa musore Munyezi Gibson niho yaje. Haruwazaga. Aratangira.
It's there. Saw a couple of Valenti's guys in there this morning.
Mazi uyu musara abasore ba Valentine. Valentines nako. Sure.
A guy named Cameron, their lawyer.
Bafite umwavoka wabo witwa Cameron.
Insured for a lot of money.
Yishyurwa amafaranga
The
benshi.
one who arranged the insurance.
Yishyura na silence ihambaye. Kuba manager ya banka na hano au inywera bibimoji. Ntibisanzwe da.
Seed phrases in there with the thumb drives. Better.
No gutuza mu gihe utwaye nabe namvye ukoresha ibiyobyabwenge.
Why's that? Days.
Kananga depoje umugabo arikomereza. Ni Gibson. Haraho yaje. Handse combine. Las Vegas. Yitonze na ku kajimu kamwe hano hamwe. Amafaranga nayibura. Zakono kuri gym tonic. Myitozo ubuhari. Bitonze. Kumbe araho yaje kureba. Bite Nick.
So you own this place?
Hano nahawe.
More or less.
Cyane cyangwa gake.
You can sign up for an annual contract. Or monthly.
hano ngira contract y'umwaka cyangwa ukwezi.
But that means you have to make a commitment.
Yeah, niko bimeze.
Funny. But that was a long time ago.
Cyari gihe kinini nayo nayiruka muri gym. Hakuno madamu baratandukanye ariko kiza cy'abazungu namwe mwaratandukanye babuza guhura mukubitana amasafuri. Reka reka. Muraganira kuba mwaratandukanye. Byo nta gitangaza kirimo. Fa kwa buri mwarakomeje ubuzima bwe. Bazakuno kuganiramo. Bafitanye umwana ari mu bitaro umugabo nta mafaranga afite.
So,
None.
you think Jack would be interested in this?
Uracheka Jack umugabo wari ubyishimire?
I mean, it's $500,000 for Jack.
Ndavuga 500 bya Jack.
More for your guys,
Nandi yanyu.
I guess. And
Ndacheka na yawe.
do this without a crew.
Ako wabwa nta na crew. Jeza konja kubona ariko nawe.
You doing this for Emma?
Bari muri bikora umwana wawe Emma cyane.
There's an experimental procedure in LA.
Ndabizi nk'umuntu wabaye muri LA Los Angeles.
All right, so.
Ndabizi na insurance ntabwo yamuvuza kandi akeneye kuvurwa. Mbabarire.
I'll see what I can do.
Ndareba icyo nakora nanjye. Nimba n'udufaranga ndakongerera uvuza umwana wacu. Gusa hari akazi ngo bafitanye sinzi ni kazi bwoko ki. Ibi ni byabaye mbere yuko tubona uyu musore Nick Gibson yarashwe mu rutugu.
Funny, huh?
Birasekeje. Isaha uracyayibuka? Banza yariye.
Where did you find it?
Wayikuye bana?
Figure you'd want it back.
Nari kukikeneye. Nari narayibitse. Ibi ni byahise ntabwo ari ngombwa kuyima. Sahara yisiga. Kandi urakoze. Yifite ni mu boyfriend, umugabo we baratandukanye. Aratangira. Ageze aha arakomeza kombo usigaye ari nyiri umugore nawe arinjira rendi kuca amazina nyakuri bararebana bitwaye iki kwa mwarakundanye yaratangira afite ikibazo cy'umwana urwaye ntazi amafaranga arava he 50 grams 500 nako yoko yakinjiye.
Business is slow, but I'm making my payments. You'll get your money.
Umva business imagenda buhoro raga amafaranga yo kwishyura araboneka ariko araza kuyabona. Umugabo nawe nyiri gym ariko umugore araza gakodesha. Arangije
100K.
ibihumbi 100. Ndakura 10 nacu.
There is a way I could get you a bigger payment.
Hari uburyo nakubonera amafaranga yawe menshi.
I have a connection to a job.
Hari ahantu ufite connection y'akazi.
Only if it means I'm out of our deal.
Ariko usanga ashaka kumura muri deal.
Okay? Paid in full.
Ndashaka nkwishyure yose. Sheri. Igisi wawe yaraje no kumara iki? Bajya kuri gatana. Komana. Yantani. Uyu hakuno nta jobu. Kwicara bara amasaha nta kindi. Gusa ngo ari diro bagomba guturitsa bakabonamo ibiceri bihagije. Sinzi ndi diro ubwoko ki. Ya telefoni karasona.
Hey, Jim.
Yego Jim.
Yeah, no, I got your messages.
Nabonye ubutumwa bwawe.
Really?
Cyane
That can't be right. I'm pretty sure I already sent the check in.
umva humana naza kubanza ndeko bimeze ariko nta kibazo.
Right, yeah, no, I will, I'll look into it.
Ndaza kubyitaho. I look into it.
As soon as I can.
Ndakusubiza mu nyuma uko byihuse. Sinzi ndiri ubwoko cyari marakina. Kuri ya gym nijoro. Hari abateguye amabunda.
Until the bank manager leaves.
Turaza kwinjira muri bank manager agisohoka. Bashaka kwiba bank.
For us, every weekday at 2:30, she leaves to pick up her kid from school.
Uyo mugabo bank manager buri kwa kangahe wa gatandatu saa 8 za
Okay.
ajya gutora umwana ku ishuri.
No, right here.
Turaca mu ryango inyuma.
20 minutes.
Minota 20.
It's everyone inside. You'll need my contact.
umva mwese barajya bindani mbona mukeneye ko mbahamagara gusa.
This is Ryan.
Uyu ni Ryan.
He's the assistant branch manager.
Uyu ni assistant branch manager. Niwe wungirije manager.
Have the keys to the boxes and the vault.
Afite imfunguzo zigomba gufungura vaults n'amakarito abikwamo ibintu by'abaturage.
Now,
Kufri foro.
you can push him around a little.
Mwamushyira ku ruhande akanya gato.
A little.
Akanya gato.
It's just for show.
Kugira dukanga abantu.
We do that if he's your contact.
Kubera ko muvuzeranye se.
The idea here is to make this look like a messy amateur.
Umva mwijya guterana amagambo cyangwa ikindi cyo tuza hano ni business turimo turaganiraho. Kuba baziranye bamaze.
Thank you.
Murakoze. Ikindi
Have his keys. You can get the boxes open.
tumukoye imfunguzo assistant branding manager branch manager twamubona uburyo ki twafungura box course dukarito turimo amafaranga amashanete amazabu ibintu nk'ibyo tugakokora tugacaho.
Having the customers' keys as well, correct?
Ari niyo abafite imfunguzo za customer. Umvanya amakarito nzo kuyasetsa niyo nawe mfite urufunguzo.
Won't be pretty, but I can get them open.
I can get them open. Nafungura nje buri kufure foro yose. Bafitemo na bafite za master key.
The better, right?
Sawa.
You want to focus on the larger boxes, right? On the left side of the wall here.
Ano ku ruhande dufitemo ikarito nini cyane.
Box 23.
Ikarito 23 ni muyigiraho.
That is our box.
Iyo niyo karito dukeneye cyane cyane arimo umuzigo uhambaye.
And inside, you will find this briefcase.
Iyo briefcase irimo indani niyo dukeneye cyane cyane. Niyo iri mu ikarito ya 23.
Many boxes as you can.
Amakarito muyatware mukure amafaranga muyarye nta kibazo ariko iyo karito atagira umuntu ukuraho.
Whatever's in the other boxes and whatever cash is in the vault, that's all yours.
Amafaranga basore mwibe byose mu byibe nta kibazo. Yaba ari muri kufure foro mu makarito yandi muyatware. Ariko iyi valise numbaze ngo valise ari miki naye numbaze.
So what's in that case?
None ari miki?
None of your fucking business.
Ntago bikureba witubaza.
Plenty of cash in the vault and the other.
Mutwara amafaranga ari muri kufure foro n'ahandi hose n'amazahabu ariko rimwe agira umungora kuri ya karito bivuze ko karito ifite agaciro gahambaye.
Who's this mousy little freak?
Ntago biyumvikana neza.
This is Xander.
Uyitwa Xander.
Remote.
Uyu ni telekomande yacu.
Cameras.
Azi kontrola amakamera ahantu hose ku buryo yayobya na polisi. Polisi bakataka banke bazi ko yateye bagasanga ahubwo wibeshye.
Running this job, Jack? Or is he?
Nende yabaye akazi. Uyibaza byinshi wa muswa we.
You listen to me.
Umva nyumva neza.
Running this job.
Nijye uyoboye aka kazi. I'm running this job.
Tell you because I don't have time to.
Ntagiye mfite cyo kubwira ubusa uko aribyo mubwiye nta kindi.
I'm running you.
Uranyumva neza. Muswa gusa. Bagiye gukora banke ku manywa y'ihangu. Mabandara.
Looking for that case.
Abantu benshi bashaka iyo case irimo indani. Mwebwe rero.
Really hurting people. The cops are gonna take a.
Nta mpamvu yuko mubabaza abaturage polisi abyivangamo cyane.
It's just heat we don't need.
Nta kintu dukeneye.
Better look at it. Sometimes things happen in there.
Hari ibera mindani nta kibazo.
Not this time.
Ntabwo ari kuri insho nakubabaza umuturage. Atagira umuntu murasa, atagira uwo mukubita, mukora akazi, musohoke mwigendere. Nitutagira umuntu ukomeretsa polisi nizakurikirana ikirego cyane. Ariko ni mu gihe yagira umuntu apfira cyangwa agakomereka nibwo polisi izadukurikirana iperereza rigakomera.
We do this right. There's a.
Turabikora gutyo kandi.
Everyone gets their share.
Buri muntu afata umugabane we nta bindi.
Okay.
Sawa. Sawa be cool. Sawa sawa. Twizeye ko ari akazi. Bano bona briefcase nakwikoraho.
That's crap.
Mwanda.
How much you think Jack's get?
Hasi ubundi bari asinze barafata mangaye.
How much to take is?
Sindakora akazi nkaka.
Feel right.
Mani mware bashaka manzi henze. Bamane ariko ntibabitindaho. Hakuno bano biteguye akazi. Na wa mukobwa madamu wuyu. Nako yahoze ari madamu baratandukanye. Zanda warasigara.
Don't worry about him.
No mugire ikibazo. Sibyo?
His dad looked after me in prison and so
Ise anyitayeho ndi muri gereza. Nawe mwizemera ko ni nahanza zita ku muhungu we. Zanda niwe rwose niyo mpamvu mwizera cyane.
He's got skill.
Afite ubuhanga. Ikazanda karani kahaka.
Yeah.
Okay.
Abonye umuntu akwereje cyane.
5 days is a long time, really low, before we make the sale.
We tuzacuruza nyuma yaho.
Exchange is person to person.
Muzahinduranye umuntu ku muntu.
The date and time with the buyer, change it now. That would just be.
Nah.
Hoya.
Leave it.
Gihorere.
But I'm gonna need some insurance, so things fly.
Assurance nzayishyura nimugira ikibazo.
No problem.
Nta kibazo. Rero ni mu gitondo kwiba. Nibwatinze buracya. Hari waje hakuno ku musozi yitonze. Ni Zanda. Aza ku munara. We, mwitegure. Hano hari amakamera ya banki ebyiri zitandukanye arimo arakurura.
2:30.
Nibwatinze baracungira hafi.
Bingo. There she is.
Uriya nayo twari dukeneye. There she is.
Right on time.
Asohokeye ku gihe.
Xander,
Zanda,
start the feed.
tangira uyobye za kamera. Polisi babone kamera zitari izo banki twinjiyemo.
Feed starting in 3.
Nyatwinjiye muri Prompirere ubereke Sebeka.
1.
Yeah, copy that.
Nabahinduriye polisi barimo arabona banki mutagiye kwinjiramo. Ayo mwinjira mu mwisanzuyemo nitonze hatagira n'ikibakanga. Hano hari abashaka briefcase iri muri box. Abandi bababwiye bati mwebwe muri bariko mutwara amazahabu imiringa ibintu byose bihenze bibise banki bitse ariko iyo bavaris atagira uyikoraho. Mwese chini ya Williams, get down. Mufungura umuryango sha. Fungura umuryango manager niwe bahereyeho bakanga. Nese mitwe hasi. Ufunge ibintu mwisakuza. Bajura bazi ko kamera bazikuyeho nta kibakanga nta nubwo abafite. Dore kuri polisi barimo arabona banki itatatswe. Yewe. Ingia ndani we. Toka nje. Soka nawe. Tayari. Ndese bandi babigize umwuga we. Uve kubina bibehene n'amani nkoko abandi nuguhagurukira amadolari amafaranga afatika.
Where's the key?
Imfunguzo ziri.
They won't work.
Ntago zikora imfunguzo. Ziba munwa. Ntago zikora iki?
Give me the keys.
Shaka imfunguzo. Hatagira uva hari. Komana nayo mwe no gusenga mbere cyafite Bibiliya wamaze. Barangije. Yaza hakuno. Zanye nyundo. Tobara diske. Atagira diske isigaraho amashusho agaragaza yuko hari ababandi y'ibye banka. Nta kimenyetso basiga inyuma. Ubu diske dira aragenda arabutobagura.
Back in the lobby with the rest of them. Go! Manager's coming out!
Manager, arimo arasohoka. Cheni ya ulinzi, get down. Nawe hasi nk'abandi bose. Tagira uva hari usabwa mu mutwe nabe nagahanga. Uyo kureba abona polisi zerekeje ku yindi banke itari yo barimo. Batangira gufusetsa.
Box 23.
Tayari. Nibuka vault 23. Dore ya varisi bashakaga. Abandi mwemerewe amafaranga amaza habo babitse mwamwe bagwa ku mashaneti. Dore amadolari barapakira. Wewe ndeba wa muswa we. Baracyasetsa. Madolari amadiyama. Kumbe dore imama polisi aho yayohereje. Polisi iza yihuta. Bazanye na SWAT. Baracyapakira ikoca. Pakira urufito. Aya n'umwuzukuru azayaryaho tu. Mwana mugira vamu bane polisi irimo iraza wangu. Fata briefcase barayifata. Baratangira. Tujyana. Mudamara. Veronica ni ugiye kubatwara. Wese atagira uzamuka wangu. Kano bakabuje kureba. Nakubwe umutwasi ngumene. Manager, pick up. Gwenano. Hagaragos. Assistant manager niyo bafite. Police.
Hey, what the hell, man?
Niki mwana?
We're all set.
Man, twari muri gahunda.
Yo, hey, what is this?
Tayari bank manager baramwana we yari mu bagambaniye bank. Hey. Yaraye muri diru kumbe bare babigambanye nawe. Tayari.
What the hell were you doing in there?
Barakora imishindanira. Wari warutegereje iki? Baratangira. Tayari bisa nk'aho ubwabo. polisi yinjiye hakuno basanga banki baje ngo baratabara ntiyatewe na rimwe. Turaba turikinze barabayobeje. Hey, niko muzamenya Zan man. Zan akita Zan. Tayari. Aya turayariye wangu. Hey. Ibi byose nibyo turimo turibuka. Wa musore mbere yuko arasuka mu rutugu. Mwana ni fresh. Nta muntu ukurikiye. Ya. Gafaranga karabonetse. Nibyo mani turariye ashobora kutugaruka ntawe biza ariko tuyatware kakara kubereye mwana uhita ukambara tayari.
I could have done that.
Yana ni hatari ni keza za kuri kufure foro nako kuriya briefcase harimo amadiski indani.
You guys knew the deal.
Mwese mwari muzi gahunda.
Keep the cash, whatever else you
mutwara amafaranga n'ibindi za diyama n'amazahabu ariko umuntu murebe briefcase akuramo disk deal imwe.
500 grand on that thing.
Ibyo ni $500 by'amagrand ntuyabure. Sawa wangu.
All right, we'll stick with the plan.
Bani twagumye ku mupango wangu.
Running around like idiots.
Ntidupfa kujyana nk'abaswa.
A few days, we all get our cut. All right?
Nyuma y'iminsi mike buri umwe azabona umugabane we.
Cool.
Turumvikanye.
Taste.
Akira wa ya mbere. Tangira kubagabagabanya gace gace. Yo mana amafaranga arahumura nji. Shaka kuvuza agakobwa ke. Geze hano mukajorojoro buri umwe gufata imodoka ye acukwe. Pinda barikoreye. Nakazi katagutunga cyari kagakoranya ubwenge buke. Kazi karakorwa. Ko bakaje tayari. Bose buri umwe n'ibyo yakuramo gitaburiya nakora usurubeti sorry barerekera bararebana n'umu egisi sawa tuko pamoja. Rangije kugira gutya abona bamutoboreye ipine. Binikira akiraho mugenzi we paya masaza bari mu rutugu cya briefcase hasi kivayo bavuye kwiba hamwe baramusinicinga baracyamuha gwa munsi y'agasozi gatoya. Reba wangu bazana agatoroshi nako nakanika muri kacani yagwana umukano k'agakingo kingo bani tugende batatu bagenzi no mugambaniye tayari bani mupoweje bani tugende niyo boro manziri imari nayo tuzabivumbura mu nyuma. Barasyanza abaturage batangiye guhurura bikoza mu kimodoka cya Chevrolet baratangira Chevrolet. Mugabo ko bakamuhaye mu rutugu bw'ibumoso. Ayiwe meze nabi. Yo kwaga kangutse mu gitondo yiriwe mu kazi kini yankurye n'umunaniro wose ko yagahwereye. Uzayisunikiriza ntameze neza. aho no filime ubwo yagahwereye aho no twaboneye mugenza ikubita umutwe ku modoka polisi amutabariza.
Sir, can you hear me?
Nyakuba uranyumva? Ntibwatinze bamuzana kwa muganga.
You know, there was cops already here, right?
Hanacyo nibuka no kwara umupolisi.
Everything that I knew.
Yewe namubwiye ibyo narinzi byose.
Mr. Thompson.
Bakwita Nyakuba Thompson.
Like I said.
Uko navuze.
What I
Nari
had a flat and that's somewhere.
Impine ryanjye ryari yapfumutse. Natobokesheje.
That's it. That's all I remember.
Ibyo nibyo nibuka.
All right.
Sawa.
Feel free to call us if any details come to mind.
Niba ugira icyo wibuka uduhamagare rwose, telefone yacu ni ubuntu. Free calls.
Okay.
Sawa sawa. Na polisi ari muri investigation. Yeah. Ariko ntameze neza.
He's hiding something.
Banza ari cyahisha.
The drives are scammers anyway, you know.
None se yabamurasiye mu modoka gutyo gusa twaye.
Only for the strip clubs bringing them.
Kasanga n'ibyo ngo yatubwiye atari byo.
Doesn't want us to.
Ari ibihimbano.
Hold on.
Baretse gato.
Hey, Reed.
Yego ready. Ni kupa.
Yeah, do me a favor.
Ndangira icyo mfasha. Yaza hakuno baganga baracyahari.
Hey.
Yewe.
Okay.
Meze neza.
He did use the bathroom.
Nakoresha ubwiherero.
Hang on to this.
Nagufasha.
Yeah.
Yego.
Actually, I think I can manage from here.
Ya hano nditwaza nta kibazo. Meze neza nta kibazo nditwaza.
If you know what I mean.
Kwa yakitwaje. Hakuna rebere muri swimming pool. Naye twa disk yadi rimwe. Rendi kucha mazana nyakuri. Hakuna madamu nayo yinywera byako kayine. Mugabo nawe.
Shit's gonna make you stupid.
No busca wan. Telefone irasona.
Told you not to call.
Nakubwiye unumamagare.
Every time we talk to each other, it's the risk we don't need.
Umva nujya umamagara nukamagara ibya risk.
About Nick.
Numvise ibyabaye kuri Nick.
If they found his body, he'd be out by now.
Umubiri wese uri. Nick nawe barashe ijoro ryashize.
You sure? You don't sound sure.
Umva kumbwira ngo wamurashe nkaho utari shuwa.
Then what?
Niki?
That wasn't part of the agreement.
Ibyo ntabwo byari byo twumvikanye.
50K to do Nick.
Nagwaye $50 kugira ngo uce Nick ni $50 z'amanyarwanda.
You don't get paid till I sell the case.
Nakubwiye ngo umurase umunuzanire iyo case. Tuyigurishe.
What are you saying, Jerry?
Jerry, siko twumvikanye?
Doubt? Is that a threat?
Uri muri ankangase?
Better think about how you answer.
Igisubizo nakimenya mu kanya.
I have the leverage, Jack.
Mfite ibyo mushaka.
Either you get me the money or I'm not showing up.
Nuta amafaranga nanjye ntabwo umenya aho merereye.
You're gonna screw this whole deal.
Mushaka kwangiza gahunda yose.
The buyer is ready.
Umuguzi
I
ariteguye.
can do about that.
Icyo nabikoraho.
Guaranteed money.
I
Aho
want
ufite amafaranga wizewe.
Nick's share.
Ndashaka umugabane wa Nick twara uwumpe.
And that's it.
Ibyo ko mu 50 ntabwo mbyemera mu mugabane wa Nick.
I will text you when it's time to get your cash.
Ndakwandikira igihe cyo gufata amafaranga cyawe n'ikigero. Kiramukupa.
Hello?
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 Hello? Sasa batangiye gushwana barashaka bafatemo umugabane wa Nick. Abaro Jerry afata. Amagara abandi.
Willis,
I
need you to do me a favor.
Ndashaka kumfasha. Kumboye nawe kwa muganga maze ashaka kwacika. Ntabandi ribiri siri mu bamfatire mu bitaro nyirwaye. Yitonze. Aza hakuno. Akuramo udukweto twe. Myenda yuzuye amaraso. banamo ikofi ye ko yagasohotse. Abapolisi bambazaga baracyavugana n'umuganga. Akomeza imbere yitonze. Komeje imbere ndakomanga tayari ndani hakuno. Iyo bafuza aho babika imyenda yaba bafuriye, imyenda y'abaganga. Hakurya hari akaforomokazi gahari. Fata imyenda y'abakozi hakuno y'abakirina. Kumbe Willis aza hakuno kwa muganga. Uyasohoka kana kuri esanseri. Kumbe gensi kimwe cyari gitwaye ejo bamurasa. Ngiki kinjira mu bitaro. Ikizwa baraje atapfuye ndani.
Can I help you?
Nagufasha?
Yeah.
Ego.
From the Gibsons around.
Ndashaka cyumba Emma Gibson arimo.
You a relative?
Kakana ka Gibson.
No, friend of the family.
Ndi inshuti y'umuryango.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir.
Wihangane.
Visitors?
Nta bashyitsi babemerewe.
Immediate family allowed.
Kereka ari ibintu byihutirwa famiye ikenewe.
Can I give this to her?
Ibi nabimwereza.
Could you?
Nta kibazo.
That'd be great.
Ntacyo bitwaye rwose bimera umwana. Agapenu turabo.
To her after her MRI?
Umva ukamwereza nava muri MRI banze gupima ubwonko. Kumucisha mu cyuma. Abanza kureba ecology aremeza. Kana bagaha indabyo nagape mwana shira ko yagasinziriye isamuza hejuru. Ese yagiye kwiba ngo arebe ko yatabara umwana we nabyo byanze. Kumbe uncle wako ni Willy. Ati Uncle Willis aragukunda. Familia ni hivi sambo. Yewe.
I'm gonna get you out of here soon.
Sheri ndaza gukurana vuba.
Have you been these days anyway?
Wari umaze iminsi uriye papa.
Why are you dressed like that?
Kuki wambaye gutyo papa? Cyambaye imyenda y'abakozi ba hano.
I don't want to know.
Sishaka kubimenya kwanza. Ntugire ikibazo akana karakorora. Arakorora. Uruhu rwarangiritse. Nimba karwaye iki? Kure yagutse umwana atangiye kujya korora amaraso. Ntago ameze neza. Agahabizu. Ndaza kugaruka mwana wanjye. Sawa papa. Nibwatinze. Uyavayo yitonze. Arangije.
Call for a ride?
Witeguye ko tugenda? Kumbe kazanda ko yakizeye.
Gotcha.
Ndagufite mwana.
Hell out of here.
Reka tuve hano. Baratangira. Kazanda yibuke se bakazanda ngo yaramufashije ari muri gereza niyo mpamvu aragakunda.
I never trusted those guys.
Mana sinize nizera bari basenze kuva na mbere.
Got you some clothes.
Kira imyenda yawe.
You think Jack and Veronica are in on it?
Wacheka Jack na Veronica bafite mu ruhare.
Is there something we can do in the blockchain?
Hari ikintu wabikora mwana?
Get the transaction reversed or get...
Nta kindi mbere na mbere nabanza nanjye ni maraburize byanga byakuntu uko byagenda kose nabanza mune n'umukire twumvikane.
All of it.
Byanga byakuntu ibyo bakoze biraza kubagaruka. Mu bantu bose yimanye nabo.
Great deal on Amazon.
Kandi ugakubitisha umuriro uraza kugakenera. Nta yindi ntwara afite aho hafi. Meze nabo urutugu ruramurya amasasu 3 ni menshi mu rutugu rumwe.
Damn.
Mwanda.
It's pretty bad.
Mwana meze nabi kabisa.
I'm gonna need you to go back to the hospital. Keep an eye out.
Ndashaka kuza gusubira ku ivuriro komeza uncugira umwana wanje. Ninangira kubakora amakazi bashobora kumukurikirana Emma. Mukobwa we. No kubahera ruhande. tugaruka hakuno sasa kuri police.
The robbery on the cloud.
Sasa police bagiye.
The onset hard drives are destroyed.
Ikintu bakoze nta kintu babanje kwiba hard drive ziriya nuza ziriya bank bibyemo.
What time is this?
Hard disk yandi basubije muri
Who's that?
Central room nandi mashyashya banzukuru hakuno.
And the robbery starts.
Aho no bujubara bwatangiriye.
2:30 right around.
Hati nota 30 nibwo batangiye.
Nothing.
Nta kindi tubona.
It's a fake feed.
Yep.
Kumva amakuru ari na ya fake.
That's the cut point.
Iriya niyo modoka yonyine itigeze ihinduka.
Where the robbery starts.
Aha no buzubara bwatangiriye.
The feed as it uploaded to the cloud.
Uko bigaragara abaturage ntabwo bigeze bahinduka muri bank n'ibiri hanze nta cyahindutse sibye ko amadiski yarari muri bank niyo bahinduye mu mashini ya bank.
This ain't no smash and grab. They're pros.
Abasenze n'abahanga.
Any other footage from outside the business?
Nta yindi footage baba bafashe cyane mashusho. Hari imodoka imwe hari.
There it is.
Ngiri hari.
Any plates?
Plaque yayo.
Those were only a partial.
Ntabwo zagaragaye neza.
Of course, when something comes in.
Ukomeza uduhamagare nagira icyo ubona.
Those safety deposit boxes.
Ubundi dushaka n'izo deposit boxes ba nyirazo ni bande. Ya makarito yebwe muri banka imwe harimo briefcase barashaka ba nyiri ari ya makarito bamenye ngo ni bande. Naho babakurikirane. Ebwatinzuye za hakuno. Bamaze kwiba intebe baherewe niwe nyarunyiri umupangu. Icyo nshaka nta kindi briefcase yiwe. Kureba hano dore cya Willis kiri umunaki cyagambanye n'abandi basambu kugira bamurye ibiceri. Ndaguheraho tu. Aho gikorera hazi Willis avayo gitonze. Faranga ryabonetse bose babyimiye. Uwo modoka hakuno. Rukira aho tangira imodoka yitonze. Ya kokayine nibyo bikururira no gusinifinga kokayine. Kunyuza amazuru vuba vuba. Ayi mukanya zirakora. Akira wa mukubitisha umuriro. Mukuru we mwenyewe Gibson. Iri he? Nta nubwo ashaka kubica ashaka briefcase. Ndashaka briefcase yanjye wa muswabe. Yibaze Jack. Wa mugabo wagutwaye umugore n'ufite briefcase. Ari hiryaga pana. Ndavuga Jack ari he? Nawe nta nubwo ashaka kimutoneka bamwe bamurashe mu kuboko. Ndavuga Jack ari he? Where is he? Cyanga kuvuga arakiniga. Yagikubitisha umuriro ntambaraga. Cyasuye n'umwana ni umujinya yifitiye cyagiye kwa muganga gisanga yakana kigasigira ipe n'indabyo. Shaka no kunyicira umwana ni mwanyujwe n'ibyo mwakoze wa musenzi we. Yezu umwuka araniga. Fata ingoto. Aracyarwana. Gapupe wahaye n'umwana wanjye kanze nkwereke. Tazongera gutekereza no kwegera umwana wanjye. Uranyumva musenzi wa sasa muheza umwuka mu kanwa. Ingoto yayikanze. Buri Hey. Yewe. Uyu ko bakamuhejeje umwuka. Willis. Baramwivugana. Muri bangahe hasigaye bangahe? Wa mbere aciyo. Amaze kumwivugana mwandasye. Kimukanza aho bamurashe hose mu gutoneka zero. Caho yitonze. Nta bandi ritagira amabandi bakorana. Aza hakuno mugoroba umwe. Nick.
How you doing?
Mr. One?
You know.
Razi.
Oh shit. That doesn't look good. I'm not doing that sort of stuff.
Ngana nago nakora ibyukundi maso yanjye nameze neza. Nago bikora. Ayi faranga ari kubisaroro. Tujye mindani murebere. akazi karanze yishingira akavuriro ka magendu.
Have you sit right there.
Inzu, imodoka, nicyo cyumba, niyo saro. Byose bibera ahantu hamwe.
This bag over here.
Baga nshyirana ya first aid, butabazi bw'ibanze.
This will work.
Kuramo agapira.
Yep, it's clean.
Reka manze matunganye. Ibintu byose ndeburiyaje.
All right. Let's see.
Katurebe ikurikira.
Okay, good. All right, looks like you got 2 wounds.
Sanga afite ibikomere bibiri.
Yeah. All right. It's like you had a collision with some lead.
Yeah, you could say that.
Akuru sasa ibikomere ni bitatu mu mugongo kimwe, mu kuboko habiri.
Come undone. You're losing a lot of blood back here.
Banza kure igipfuko kwa muganga wari amushizeho.
Okay. I'm gonna have to
mbere na mbere ngomba kubanza koza.
See what I'm doing back.
Uraribwa gato ariko nta birenze. Gukuraho za mikorobe.
All right, let me see if I have a clean needle here.
Kabaze neko mfite urushinge rusa neza.
Despite with the state of
Mangana nta kibazo mwana.
I am a very capable physician.
No muganga yabigize umwuga wangu.
I don't have anything really for pain. I got this.
Uburibwe rwose yanga nagwa painkillers ibinini bigabanya uburibwe.
Ready? This is gonna hurt because this is the first poke.
Wihangane ngiye kubaza ko niko kambere ngiye gucisha mu rushinge. Aradodo yagashinyiriza ihangane. Bose nama bandi cyabuza akazi kubera ububandi.
For some pain. Right here.
Kirakuno.
Use only as directed.
Ibyo binini bikoresha nko nkubwiye.
Oh, then.
Ko bisa nkaho bishaje se byataye n'igihe.
Work.
Biracyakora.
Work pretty good for me.
Nje birankorera rero.
Just want to finish that beer.
Yari byeri yanye nari ntangiye. Akiriye imaniza ibinini nta mazi dufite muri iyi nzu. Ndebera umuganga uraha. Police sasa. Nebukatinze mu gitondo kanangaza hakuno. Barayi bamuhanduye amasasu ariko arakiyagazeho. Haraho yabyukiye sasa. Gibson nawe akunda iborozi. Hagava kwizimo. Bamwibye ntarakireka arabahiga gace gace. Ukubica umugenda umwe uyu munsi undejo bundi paka bashize.
Can I help you?
Nagufasha.
Mr. Gibson for Mr. Cameron.
Umva nitwa Gibson ndashaka umugabo witwa Mr. Cameron.
I have some information for him.
Mfite amakuru ye akeneye. Ajyanye n'iki?
Something of his that was recently stolen.
Nari ibintu biyibwe muri iyi minsi. Sasa yere ukuru amwavaka kugira ngo amugeze ku mukire. Hari bora biyibwe avoka arimo arakurikirana nzahiri. Ya briefcase arimo ama disk deal. Hard disk. Sawa.
Follow me.
Nkurikira. Kurikira agakobwa yere kumwavoka. Ondoka. Aje kwiyunga nabo yibye kugira ngo afate nawe abamugambaniye.
Right, well,
sawa na
kind of hoping that we can help each other.
Ndakeka nawe twafatanya tugafashanya.
I have information about that item.
Mfite amakuru yari yabore yatwawe.
Stolen from one of your clients.
Yibwe n'umwe mbakiriya banyu. Nako yibwe umukiriya wawe.
To be presented directly to Mr. Valenti.
Ndashaka wowe umuzanya kwa Valentine.
My client list is strictly confidential, Mr. Gibson.
Yumva uriya no umukiriya wanje ku ruhande nta nubwo ari umukiriya rusange kandi ikindi nta nubwo napfa guhuza nawe.
Even if I had a client with that name, I wouldn't discuss it with you.
Umva kabe nubwo nafite umukiriya witwe gutwe nta kintu twavugana nje nawe hagati yawe nje nawe.
Okay.
Sawa.
Okay. Never mind then.
Ntobigire ikibazo, never mind. Sawa kandi ndashimye. Umukiriya wuyu niwe wibwe. Umwavoka nagomba kubibazwa.
I really hope that what I have to say does not reach Mr. Valenti from someone else, you know.
Umva byana nje kubwira nshaka nyakubahwa Valenti atazabibwirwa n'undi. Kandi urakoze.
All right, wait.
Sabrets.
Close the door.
Kinga umuryango ugaruke.
I don't know who you think you are, what game you're playing at.
Sinzi ucyakuru ariko sinzi umukino ukina.
But be at this address. Call this number in 1 hour.
Ngwaya address.
Further instructions.
Ukurikiza amabwiriza hamagara iyi nimero nyuma y'isa ujya aho hantu ngubwiye.
Careful, Mr. Gibson.
Kandi witonde nyakubahwa Gibson. Ube karifuru. witonde, be careful. Sandaza kuba karifuru ntacyo bitwaye. Bamubwiye guhamagara nyuma y'isaha nawe arangije. GMC modoka z'abagaga fani nizagendamo bashinzwe iperereza. Kware ebyiri Kananga uko yakaje kwa bamwavoka yasohotse binjira polisi. Webukana bagweke kwa muganga ngo sinzi uwanda sikumbe yarasuna bigenzi bye. Nawe aracyakekwa. Yinjira muri stanseri. Hakuno polisi umwavoka bahaye gahunda.
Poor progress in recovering our property.
The investigation's developing.
Umva invitike turacyari kwiperereza.
How are you related to the item?
Basasa icyabi byabuze ubizihi iki?
My firm represents the holding company that owns it. They operate outside the US and we're registered to act as their agent here. So
sasa bari baratubaza ntabandi ni US Marine nabandi bagiye batandukanye ariko nyiri iyo boro nanjye ari marayimbaza nk'umwavoka niba munyeneye ko tudiringa ibyo mumenya byose mumenyeshe kugira bamenye buryo tubikurikirana.
when we learned of the loss, we reported it as their agent.
Nkaba agent mugomba kumbwira ibyo mumenye byose nanjye ngamenya uburyo nkomeza gukurikirana ikirego.
And what's the holding company again?
Argent company twinguki? Argent International.
Have you heard of it?
Mwegeze muyumva cyane.
Probably read a recent write-up in the Wall Street Journal.
Actually, no.
Mwamuzi umuntu ari kwa muganga warashwe unatu cyane.
I saw Interpol reports on front companies from mob families.
Umva ari company nyinshi zikomeye zagiye zihomba zibwe n'imiryango yazo.
You must have confused Argenti with some other less reputable company.
Mwembwira ibintu bidahura ndababwira namwe mu makuru kujya nayo dufatanye.
I assure you.
Tugaruka hakuno. Nyakuba Gibson watubwira icyo ashaka kutubwira.
Where is Mr. Valenti?
Ndashaka Nyakuba Valenti.
You believe this guy?
Uyu muntu bamwizera? Oya.
Tell you something, wise ass.
Kamubwira amuswa.
The reason you're not spitting out your teeth right now
Uzima muri mavuga menya taravamo.
is I was told to listen to what you had to say.
Twakabaye twumva ibyo akabaye wavuze kare mbere na mbere niyo mpamvu menya taravamo.
You don't talk to Mr. Valente.
Ntago wapfa kuvugana na Nyakuba Valenti.
So you better start telling me something I want to hear.
Ahubwo mbwira ibyo nkeneye kumva.
I want Mr. Valenti to know.
Ndashaka Nyakuba Valenti.
You robbed him and that I can get it back.
Ndashaka amenye ko yibwe nyuma yo kumenya ko yibwe. Mumenyesha yuko namugarura ibyo yibwe.
Don't mess with me, jackass.
Utanyinisha wa muswa we. Wa musenze tubwire uninde wibye.
I want to hear it for myself.
Reka niyumvire kwanza umukiravayo. Valenti. Nyiri kwibwa. Kanangari hakuno Gibson.
Valenti, I can get you your case that was stolen from the bank.
Nyakuba Valenti nakugarira varisi yawe yibwe muri bank. Kesi yawe. Gute?
I was in on the robbery.
Mubakwibye naye narindimo. Hey!
Tell me why I shouldn't drop you here right now.
Nicyatuma nkwizera. Cyazatuma nakunaga hanze.
Okay.
Sawa.
The assistant bank manager, he was in on it.
Ati abantu bagufashije kugira ngo wibwe. Na assistant bank manager nawe yarabirimo. Uwungirije manager wa bank.
And that's how they knew it was there.
Niko twamenye yuko iriya briefcase yawe yarimo indani.
Now he's dead.
Yarapfuye twaramwirasiye.
But I know who has it.
Ariko tuzi ufite briefcase yawe ndamuzi.
Really?
Sawa.
Because they tried to kill me too.
Nanjye bagerageje kunyica.
So I see. You need protection.
Nawe ukeneye uburinzi rero.
Mr. Valenti,
Nyakuba Valenti.
that you have this property well insured.
Ndabikwirije yuko imitungo yawe nakugarurira.
And if so,
kubw'ibyo rero,
you're positioned right now to collect on that.
Wowe nyizera kandi nabigufashamo.
What if you could get the insurance money and the case?
Amafaranga ya assurance yawe ukayasubizwa kandi na case yawe ukayibona.
I mean that's win-win.
Bijya mvuga nako kuri.
And I'm the only one who can get it back for you.
Kandi njye nyine nakugarurira briefcase yawe.
And if you don't succeed?
None notayingarurira.
You still collect the insurance money.
Amafaranga ya assurance bank zakwishyura ko wibwe muri banki yawe.
So I'm sitting here wondering why don't I have Pete here just break your fingers one by one?
Barakuvuna intoki utangira kumbwira ubwo gitambwira ingingo ifatika.
Because I can get it back for you.
Naye kugarurira kandi binyoroheye. Nyifite intoki zanjye zose.
You got some balls on you.
Manzo ufite intoki zikomeye kabisa.
You screw with us and I will feed them to you. Do you understand me?
Nzazihimbwa kandi nuzana ubugoryi nk'ubwo.
Look, I need your guys' help.
Ndashaka ubufasha bwanyu. Nta kindi. Hanyuma.
Let me see if I get this straight.
Reka nsobanukirwe neza.
Steal from me. They steal from you, and now you want to steal back from them so you can give it to me?
waranyibye nyuma yo kunyuma naye barakwiba none urashaka abakwibye bangarura ibyanjye n'icyabi tuma nizera yuko nawe utari bungambanire yitonze
A procedure.
reba icyo twaheraho ndashaka kuvuza umwana wanjye w'umukobwa ararwaye ameze nabi
You want what's coming through?
none
15% of about 4 million.
urama 15 kuri miliyoni enye 500 gusa cyane sinshaka umwana wanjye apfa hanyuma nkuzanire boro yawe nawe ive mu nzira
At ease, boys.
bamutoze basore ndashaka gutabara umwana wanjye nkakuzanira ibyawe.
That's a lot of Eric Thompsons.
26 in Nevada State.
hakuno sasa nabe perezida aracyakomeje baracyakuri ku makamera.
Forgery.
What's good? Does he have an ID?
Baciye kinini banki zitibwa n'izibwe abantu bagiye bafungwa.
Thompson.
Eric Thompson.
None of us could get a match either.
Tukamukurikirana umukobwa.
Clean. Been driving there 6 months, just like he said.
Nkuko yabivuze yaciye amezi 6.
Square one.
Ikirego ahantu kiragaragara.
This ain't working. Let's get everyone together. We gotta try something different.
Umva dufata abantu bose bagiye ahantu hatandukanye buri ubenye amakuru ayazane hano tuyahuriza hamwe dore ko aricyo twabona.
We need to cast a wide net here, all right? I want to pull every assault with a deadly weapon record.
Ndashaka ahantu hose twaba twarabonye intwaro idasanzwe yakoreshejwe cyangwa se ubujano bwagiye bahatandukanye mu mezi 6 ashize.
Snickers bar shoplifted in the state of Nevada.
Hano muri Nevada hose turimo turibaza banka ziri muri Nevada zose.
Then we need to pull the vacation or sick days of every employee.
Ndashaka buri mukozi wese wakoraga muri banka warwaye byose record zose zikurikirana. Ne wahawe vacation akaruhuko.
Unions, construction companies or whatever company.
Either the construction companies. Turebe ibitaro byagiye byakira abantu bagiye batandukanye.
Cross-reference those together for the date of the robbery.
Turebe nabagiye mu bitaro nyuma yo kwibwa. Kandi abantu bagiye mu bitaro harimo umusore Gibson wibye.
Anyone gets a hit.
Buri bitaro byose mugere mubaza ati abaje kwivuza ni bande? Aho twabihera utumenya iri bande ni irihe. Niyo gahunda na yindi. Hakuno. Uyu amenya yuko mu egisi we. Uyu mugabo usigaye ari umugabo we ari amugambaniye. Kandi bose bari muri diru yo kwiba bivuze ngo mu egisi we ari Gibson ni yamwizera zi yuko umudamu nawe yabigize mu ruhari.
What's with you guys not following simple instructions?
Hase ni mtikibazo cyo mudakurikiza amabwiriza.
Jack Willis is dead.
Jack Willis yapfuye. Iye kangamo ni Randy Kucha.
Where?
Ngo yapfiriye he? Mudamu arumva.
How did it happen?
Byagenze bite?
You talked to any cops?
Wafunganye na polisi?
Where's the case?
None briefcase iri he?
Has it at his place.
Jerry yayitwaye uke Jerry namubwira ati aho kugira ngo nyiguye napfa turagabana sengane uramugabane wande wa Gibson. Jerry nawe acikanye case.
Don't go back.
Ntusubireyo utanazana ubugoryi.
They will tie Willis to you.
Byose birakugarukaho.
Dump this phone and get a new number and call me.
Umva tiyo telefoni ahubwo ushaka ibintu nshasha bari uzajya umamagaza.
What's going on?
Nebiki bijya mbere mudamu arabyuka.
Willis is dead.
Willis yapfuye.
How?
Ngo gute? Na ubizi. Basenzi bafite ubwugu muri bo.
Willis was a stupid junkie, always has been. One less dumbass to deal with.
Abasenzi n'ubu nabajya kubizera nacyo ni ikindi kibazo. Sheri.
Where you going?
Ugiye?
I gotta go to work.
Ngomba kujya ku kazi bafite gym hakuno bakoreramo. Mudamu niyakoramo. Hebwatinze. Iyo bamuhaye umushoferi bagomba kubana paka.
How long you been in this line of work?
Akazi wagatangiye kingana iki? Kamaze igihe kingana iki? Umuzinzi kira hakuno turaza kuyikenera. Agiye kubahera ruhande buri wazi address ahatuye.
Hey, Xander.
Bite Xander. Bikijya mbere.
Yeah, okay.
Sawa sawa. Kazana nika gahaka kiwe. Niko yagwe nkajya gacunga umwana we. kiri hakuno igiporezo cyana naho kuno burisho.
How's she doing?
She's hungry.
Mwana meza atarashonje nta kindi.
I appreciate you doing this.
Umva nagushimye ukuri muramfasha. Webuka se wakaza ndani wamufashije muri gereza kugira ngo acike.
I need that.
Ushobora kugenda nako mu nyuma. Ko barisha uduti ni gutya.
You do the twist.
Twist?
Urabanza ugatwisting ukazengurutsa.
She's not allowed visitors. I'm sorry.
Umva naba rwose ni abantu bemereye kumusura. Akana kagize gucika bona nyina.
It's okay.
Yabeshye umugabo we Jack yuko agiye kujya kuri gym ahurira n'umugabo we wa mbere mu bitaro. Niba bacana wako umugabo azi yuko ko Jack yamugambane asigaye ari umugabo w'uyu mugore n'umugore agomba kuba afite mu ruhare.
You dating my dad again or what?
We na papa musigaye mwumvikana se cyangwa bana abazungu nabitindaho muracyateretana cyangwa mwarashwanye completely.
I don't see a little bit, okay?
Mwana ndaza kubona mu nyuma agiye guca muri MRI araza kugaruka musigare muganira. Saza umugabo none umugore basigaye bazirana urunuka ikigabo cy'abafitanye babanyubu nicyo cyamugambaniye.
Bet you're here a lot.
Kunda kuza hano.
Any news on Emma's progress?
Waba ugiye kumva amakuru yo Emma ameze muri iyi minsi?
Why are you here?
Kuki uri hano?
Look, I didn't know. I'm glad you're okay.
Imana ishimwe ntabwo wari bize ariko nishimwe kuri muzima.
Boyfriend know that you're here?
Boyfriend wawe yabaze kuri hano?
No.
Oya.
Where are my drives?
Ubundi se nuza disk dire ziri drives zanje. Hard drive. Disk zanje ziri. Avana agapapuro ameze nabi.
What's this?
Biniki.
It's what you want.
Yo nibyo shaka. Kira hakuno. Mwana kira address. Yitonze.
And how do I know that's not a setup?
Wasanga sana gatego naye menyane.
I didn't mean for any of this to happen.
Gomba kunyizera naye ntabwo mbizera. Nawe nakwizera nte?
What's wrong?
Kibazo kimfite?
Your boyfriend tried to...
Sheri wawe yarangambane bandasa amasaso mu rutugu na gatatu. None ngo mwizere.
Veronica, wait.
Veronica. Akuno. Police nera cyari mu iperereza.
What do you got? You remember the dead guy we found in the car?
Barebe ko mutwaza mu modoka.
Willis, the medical examiner, just finished with this guy. Check it out.
Twagiye gukora autopsy ku murango wa Bob Willis.
Heart attack.
Yagize ikibazo cy'umutima. Yamwe bajya overdose. Yamwe cocaine iramurenga. System itangira kora yiruka ngo amaraso yari yashyushye cyane. Ariko nawe mbese nka yahamagaye kwa muganga umunsi wo kwiba.
Bobby Willis.
Bobby Willis.
I know that name.
He zina ndarizi.
Robberies, one of them was an armored truck.
Yari afite imodoka yari Amadi.
So listen, toxicology report's going to take a few days, but they found he had a crushed trachea.
Byanga byakunda afite n'ikibazo cya trachea. Kimuhumekero mu muhogo.
Now what?
Nani gikurikira?
We see if Willis was involved in the robbery.
Byanga byakunda Bobby Willis nawe ari mubibye.
Associates check up and
ahubwo dushaka abandi bari bashuti nabo dukomeza gukora iperereza. Jerry Foster nawe bari inshuti bakunda kugendana.
Says he and Willis did a stint together, got
babaga bari kumwe kenshi no kazi ka Bobby Willis.
The PO officer also says that Foster's been seeing a dancer that goes by.
Kuva habaho kwiba dukeneye Foster, dukeneye Bobby Willis, dukeneye Jerry Willis yanacishene.
Kenwood.
Tujye kuri Kenwood aho bakoreraga.
Let's go.
Reka tugende. Kenwood umwana 1515 nako 19. Kumbe hano araho bahaye address. Wa mugore Veronica.
If this is what I think it is.
Ndakeka era natuye. Ndukomeza imbere. Harimo Foster, Jerry, Jaka, Gibson, Veronica. Uwa mbere we yapfuye acisheni. Baza mu rugo kwa cha Foster. Dotinyuma. Ikizu nimba ari stock. Nimba ari nzu yo kubamo. Nimba ari banaga ibintu bishaje. baca inyuma mu gikari ntihafunze. Ibintu birimo birashaje. Bagiye kumva bamva barucuranga. Baciye ibikari. Ni ikizu wajyana isari kirahurutuye. Binikira. Imyenda muri koridoro. Imbaraga radio kicuranga. Ibi televiziyo bya zamani. Kugira gutya. Jerry wani wawe kumba harimo n'umukecuru ukuze. Yibereye kuri katuni. Nagacyayi. Mukecuru winja uko kurana imyaka isubira ibwana. Yibereye kuri katuni yishimye. Nko mubwira amakuru. Nko mubaze ngo igihugu kigeze reka da. Bakomeza hakuno. Icyo bashaka ni ya briefcase irimo za hard drive.
Are you kidding me?
None muranyinisha wana. Simbizi. Kugira gutya basenzi n'abavandimwe. Jerry na cha Foster bakiraho. Shika. Jerry ni wawe?
It's okay, Miss Foster. Just me.
Ego mchecho Foster. Njewe.
You son of...
Baye za wana cha Foster. Kiratanya kiracika. Kibasanze mu nzu. Mwanda bana. Cheza hakuno uyu ni anasimbuka gapangu. Bamurashe mu kaboko nakuntu yazamuka. Utisha amaso. Cyaguye sasa kiratsikira. Aha, kanzenguruke nitonze.
Stay where you are.
Guma huri. Bahava. Uyu no mujinya. Bastard mwabasenzi mwe twiba hamwe. Mugatwara boro mwenyine. Abanza kukigiriza aho ngana. Aginga sana.
Somewhere to take him?
Ufite aho kumujyana cyangwa tumujyana handi?
I have some questions.
Ahubwo mfite byinshi byo kumubaza.
I know a place.
Hanze aho twamujyana. Kombe hakuno fandi. Ukari babiri. Barashaka Jerry Foster uko bagendanaga nande n'umugenzi Willis Bobby. Barakomanga.
What can I do for you?
Na bafashe iki?
We're wondering if Jerry Foster's here.
Jerry Foster yabari hano.
He ain't been around for a few days.
Maze iminsi ahari.
Okay. Does he live here?
Aba hano se?
Comes and goes.
Araza akagenda.
Okay.
Sawa.
Anything about any of his friends?
Hari icyo twashaka kumbaza bijyanye n'inshuti ye. Twakwinjira.
Take a look around.
Twakwinjira tukarebamo indani. Mufite manadare oya.
Calls.
Cyangwa cya leta cyemera kwinjira.
Work with us a little bit.
Only guy I know of is someone named Sullivan.
Umuntu uzi bakunda kugendana witwa Sullivan.
His mother's house somewhere on Durango Terrace.
Akenshi bari kumwe nande na mama Jerry.
Talk much when he's here.
Ariko maze iminsi atanagera hano.
Thank you. We appreciate.
Urakoze turabishimye nabyo.
Thank you.
Sam murakoze.
Okay, Cole Reed, have her check on that Durango Terrace address.
Address aduhaye nizo tugomba kurikiza nta kindi gikurikira. Humburuka bakaruzanye.
Hey!
Yewe.
What the hell?
Bichi bijamere wana?
Hey.
Yewe.
Hey. Where are you meeting Jack?
What are you talking about?
Uravuga ibiki?
Where's my goddamn briefcase?
Ndavuze ngo briefcase yangiriye. Varis.
Screw you.
Kerya gapando kiramutuka. Okay.
Can I try?
Nagerageza nkamuvugisha.
Who's this?
Ntacyo nindira. Sheri wawe kiramutuka.
I'll find out.
Azana fera beto. Ubi TV. Ayiwa. Uravuga tu. Yanze kuvuga arimo aratukana. Turakubaza ugatukana.
I'm looking at a dead man right now.
ndimo ndabareba nk'imirambo imbere yanjye nona barabato y'isura umugabo urana umutindishaho nta kukubaza kabiri oya kanze ibihano biracyahari don't worry ufunga umunwa nawe uhanwa cyane arangije yitonze kuramo igisogisi wanze kuvuga azana umwe bukate nsinga bwa avuna kano uravuga ku ngufu arakanda aragakata umugabo nta mbabazi sawa sawa nababwira vuga se uruhinja twinginga
I don't know where he is.
ntago nzahana ari
Really?
nuko kuri kandi
Really? I don't.
ntago mbizi
I don't know where he is.
ntago nzahana ari
Really?
niko kuri icyo ntago cyagukase neza kamanze nkatuye umupira uramenya aho aherereye.
What the hell is this?
Ibyo ni ikira?
Shit just got real.
Bigiye kubana ibya seriye. Iburyo n'ibumoso hombi mukanya uravuga neza. Ndumva ntago ndi buhagarare pa kumbwira aho nsanga Jack.
And how far we go is up to you.
Turakomeza paka ni wowe bwitiyemo natuguturekera. Biri mu biganza byawe shyiraho switch umuriro. Uragikoma urutenga amagana ngahe. Sawa kare kose
Casino.
mubwira ari kuri Freeport Casino. Yeah.
Boy.
Sawa tuzasubira. Murenzo arana inamiyaga.
Good work.
Kazi keza. Kumbo inako yagatashye. Avuye kuri umugabo mukuru. Gym yari imeze iti niyo bakoramo.
My gym is fine.
Gym yanjye imeze neza. Banda cyageze giswana ariyo. Waruri.
I was.
No, I don't.
Aho narindi.
At the gym.
Nari mbisi kutari kuri gym. Nari mbizi neza.
I don't care.
Simbyitaho.
I know you have feelings for him.
Ndabizo cyangwa mufite ibyiyumviro.
I don't care that he's alive.
Icyo nitaho nuko ari muzima. Ibindi ntago mwitaho rwose.
What the hell, Jack?
Jack, uri nabi nibiki? Tuza.
When he calmed down,
Kuki mwango ntuze?
try to take out my friend. You gonna take me out too, huh?
Watumye nza muri akazi inshuti zatangiye kuzitana. Umva, funga umunwa.
Took it, so what? What's the difference between people like you and people like me?
Yari tandukana hagati yawe n'abantu nkawe kimwe n'abantu nkanjye. Mva nduwo gutsinda.
Coke?
Ushaka kokayine? Tangiye gushira mutangiye kugira krize. Ushaka kokayine nyinshi? Ayo ma withdrawal yawe izo krize ufite za kokayine ndazikumaramo bene hano se nyine. Baburetse ayigamije amazuru nyinshi. Ajya kureba umu egisi wawe. Mwaratendanye mwaratandukanye. Ugomba witwara neza. Twari twumvikanye. Hano wananyishu. Wamushaka? Ushaka kuba ubuzima bw'abakeneye? Umuryango uri hariya. Ujye uvuga kandi weruye. Sanga umu egisi wawe. Jya kubana n'abatindi. Byo ni ibikureba. Sasa hakuno. Polisi ayigeze hose bagerayo. Kumviriza bumva. Ninzi ishaje. Police. Hano ibera umukecuru yihorera kuri katuni. Ni umukecuru ushaje. bakiraho cya Jerry kirimo indani kirasa na polisi kiratangira barasa kugi.
Come on, Jerry. We got the place surrounded.
Umva dufite polisi azengurutse hano Jerry. Jerry ni wowe mukecuru amatwi nayo yarapfuye kubera gusaza. Jerry ushikano cyaciye mu idirishya kare yacomotse nk'ejo. Sawa sawa hakunino Jack nawe yaciye ukwe. Mfite kakufure foro mu rugo, diski zimwe nizo zifite. Fata ibiceri bye pinda yari yumvikanye na Jerry aho bahurira. Vanayo ka hard drive kamwe disk deal external.
You get my text about the drop?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Na wabonye message nakwandikiye aho tuhure na tunabibonye. Utabyangiza tugurane ngo amafaranga yawe nawe umereze briefcase. Sawa. Ibwatinze. Amafaranga yapakiye. Avayo. Osaka goroba. Naye ku muhanda cyategereje. Kiraho ndani mu modoka. Polisi nayo njyewe n'ubitwaye mugare ibintu byanye ndahamagara polisi mukecuru nazwe nawe muri imbere ni polisi kutiga singeso.
We are the police. You're okay?
Umva mukecuru humura sheri biragenda neza nitwe wa polisi.
Look after it.
Bagusangana akantu k'umuringane waba utarakibyo bazi ko banki ibika ibintu byinshi diyama korota zahabu.
Before you ask, it's a cell phone number, belongs to a Jerry Foster.
Iyi ni phone number ya Jerry Foster.
That's for you.
Aka nakawe mukomeze nawe mwigerageze iciyemo mwayitrackinga mukamenya ahantu aherereye. Kumbe yarabaje kugurana yazanye amafaranga wa muri briefcase byanga byakundi ifite agaciro kurusha 500 by'idolari. Veronica bene gukorera ku gitugu.
Come over here.
Yeah, pareka ari imbere. Bwatinze zana briefcase. Basaya jorojoro arasesera. Bose nama bandi ntawe izera undi. Kandi ntagazi niyo baje guhurira. Yarahoze kera. Abana Jack n'umugore we Veronica nabo barasohoka mu modoka. Nuruzu rushaje ajya mu warehouse. Ndani abandi ryize ririndi uwa mbere baramurashe Willis na wahita kurikira arapfa. Abandi baracyaza.
Yep. What do you got?
Ubonye iki?
Yeah, of course I know where that is. We're on our way. Send for backup. We may need it.
Umva mwereze umfasha dushaka kuza kubukenera.
Let's go.
Nimero mukomeza mu tracking ya Jerry. uyu ni umugore na briefcase yabo nako n'amafaranga. upora ibifi zibure zose abona haratse.
Somebody must have paid the bill.
kumbe ni yazanye ka briefcase yaciye ahandi. bitonze byakayikurayo kugera aha kigenzi cyabo cyatanze aderese nacyo bagihambiriye hano baje bakenagaho. sasa kana agatego kugira gutya yapfuye amaraso aracyatera. masasu sasa.
What the hell did you do to him, Jack?
we mukore biki Jack kizwe mugenzi wabo ari na Jack umuhitanye nawe nibazi kana agatego
One by one.
Jack uduhitana umwe kuwundi. uravuga biki Jerry?
You and that stupid whore do this?
urimo akora bi.
You guys are the ones that got greedy. This wasn't us.
umva nimwe mwagize ubugugu nagari twebwe. bararasana.
What are you talking about? Then who did?
Ninde abikoze niba atari mwebwe? Jerry arayamanika. bose bari kwitana ba mwana mwagambanye abandi nimwe mufite ubugugu.
Where is the money?
Mafaranga ari. sawa sawa genda gake. mafaranga ari hano hafi. kumvikana mereza case mbona amafaranga yawe. ngoya briefcase shyira hasi. shaka ibindi birenze abanza kurasa agenzi cye. igenda gake yenda gake. faya bahita bamuhereza mu gituza cy'imanura gato. ndakubwiye nta mujura wizera undi. Jack ibyo ashaka bigezeho arya amafaranga na briefcase agenda arye nandi. kuramo neza na hadi disk bari bamuhaye nayishyira mu ya disk deal. bajya mu rutugu naraswa. kumbe Gibson nawe araho hafi. Nick Gibson nawe yiziye.
Drop the gun, Jack.
kirimo nasi Jack.
Oh, we make a nice threesome.
umva turi batatu twagabana ubutatu. uramukunda? arasaga kobwa kigihiru cyane cyo baragiye. oya Veroni ihangane. Mwana ariko agamubwira ngo asubirane na nyina byaranze. ihangane gumana nanjye. Jeguka bagiye mu mugongo.
What took you so long?
cyagutumjererwa wana. hangane.
You wanted me to give you this.
Valenti yamwe nkwereza ibyawe. Nibyo umukobwa wawe for your daughter. Uri cyongereza cy'Ikinyarwanda birahura hangonu ihangane ni bimwe. Fata briefcase yabo.
You need my help.
Keneye ubufasha bwanjye? Oya. Tuzasubira rero. Mudama aciyeho areba ka gasa mugenzi yari yamusigiye muri gym. Tewe katata we. polisi murabizi teka baza birangiye wapfuye yapfuye uwacitse yacitse ntibazuru wapfuye barahagera. Bageze aha naye byanga byakunda asubira ishene tu. Sinzi ukuntu hano wasanga imirambo 2 na 3 ubwo uvuge ngo urarenga nasi wowe kutari wowe uri muzima kuki atari wowe wapfuye. Fata agakapu ke ca hakuno. Polisi ndani. Hakuno Zanda nawe aracyari hanze tegereje mushuti kureba neza abona Nick arasohotse. Gibson akindi gisigaye mugenzi no gutangira arabe ko mugenzi yajya kuvuza akana ke.
Yeah, I guess so.
Ari ikirori kabisa.
You remember this guy?
Ndakeka nukagenze bayitaga blowback yari Sankara da Premier mwumvaga abagiye mwakoze kuza murabeho n'abakunda cyane cyane ni mucikwizikurikira. Hasta la vista.